Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it is June and I have another Boxycharm. My May Boxycharm got stolen, and so that's why I didn't have a video for May, but we do have a June Boxycharm. So if you want to see what I got for my May Boxycharm, you already know what to do. Keep on watching.
You don't care what you're doing to me.
Okay, so I got the basic box. The May box was the Luxe box, which was the box that got stolen.
Swiper, no swiping! Swiper, no swiping! Swiper, no swiping!
Oh man! Whoa!
I am pretty sure, because I got somebody package, I took it to them and I'm pretty sure they got my package and didn't give it to me. But you know, that's another story for another day. And then I contacted the post office and they're like, oh, file a claim, but then the box wasn't sent in short, so I couldn't file a claim. So yeah, so I'm pretty sure I just lost that box. But we have our June box, so let us jump into that. The first item we have is from First Aid Beauty, is the Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer with Sunscreen. I think I actually have this in like another container, so I'm not gonna open this because I think I'm just gonna send this to my niece. So yeah, I'm not gonna use that, but it says it has SPF 50 and it is safe for sensitive skin, and it says it helps prevent sunburn if you use as directed with other sun protection measures. Sedation decreases the risk of skin cancer and early skin aging caused by the sun. So that is that. The other product we have is from Pink Lips, and it is a gloss duo.
Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now. Save me now.
Did you say what shade this is? Yep, Aglow and Star. And they look like so. Actually, I don't have anything from this brand, and smells nice, kind of fruity a little bit. It's okay, I just don't think it gives like super crazy moisture. Like I don't know. Maybe this one. Okay, I like the smell though, but to me it's just okay. And the other product is actually from Lunar Beauty, and it's a lip duo. And so the shades are Doodle and Blushing. So I don't know if any of these shades gonna look good on me. Maybe this one. Looks like so. I don't know about that. I don't know how these are gonna look. They feel nice and creamy though, but I don't know how they're gonna look on me. And then we have Defy, which is a mascara. It's just a jet black mascara, which looks like so. Oh, that's a big duffel. That's pretty. I think I will test that out today as well. And last but not least, we have a powder from Wonder Beauty, and I don't know, it says it's this lightweight multitasking powder foundation delivers buildable coverage. The ultra fine formula builds seamless to smooth, blur and even skin for complexion perfection that lasts all day. So yeah, so it's I got the tan shade. I think that might match me. That's one of the products I was able to choose, I guess. I don't know, we'll see. Yeah, I think that shade will match me. See, it's like kind of, it's a tan, but I think it's more like a translucent powder. But yeah, and it has a little spongy, but I will not be using that because I don't use these sponges. I think they're a waste of time. Okay, so we have no palette, so let's see if we can create a look real quick. So I'm gonna go into this Formula 2 from Planet Makeup by Yolondo, and this is Particle Peaches. I think I'm going to this shade. I might need something a little bit darker, and I'm gonna put this right here. Now I'm gonna take a M433 from Morphe. What did I say, Morphe? And I'm gonna go into this shade, I think, and just try to see if I can blend this out a little bit. And I just had my glitter glue, which I lost. I had like so many glitter glues here, and I have no idea what they are. So many. I have this little, this is from Urban Decay, and it's one of their Moondust, and this is Solstice. And I'm gonna use a Y215 from Planet Makeup by Yolondo. And then I'm going back to this brush and just blend this. So that's it for this eye. I'm gonna go ahead and test out this mascara, and then this is from Defy, and it's the Zero Gravity Mascara, and I got this in my Boxycharm. So this is like a nice mascara, but mascara don't do anything for me. I'm gonna go in for a second coat. Again, it looks nice, but I just don't have it. Lashes like that. So I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna test out this Wonder Beauty face powder. I'm very picky about my powders, very picky. I literally use like a few face powders, and this is trash. I'm using my same powder brush that I use all the time, and this was in my Boxycharm. I don't know, my face still looks or feels wet, which is not good, because when I put my bronzer and stuff, it's just gonna like stay all patchy. I don't know. Like, it feels smooth, but I feel like it's still, I never have to give my face so much powder for it not to feel tacky, because okay, I think that's enough, hopefully. Okay, so now I'm gonna test out my lip product from my Boxycharm. So we're gonna use the lip liner, and this one is Doodle. So that is that. Okay, so let us calculate what I got in my box this month. I am still bitter, as I said, my box last month 99.9% sure it got stolen, but it is what it is. I'm not gonna get that box. So the first product in this month box is from Wonder Powder, and that was $42 for a setting powderish, foundation-ish stuff, and I felt like I had to put like a lot before I could get my desired like matte, or not even matte, just for the tackiness to go away, because I don't want to put it and then, you know, my contour like get stick, because then it's like real patchy. But it worked in the end. I don't know if it's worth $42 though, so keep that in mind. And then the First Aid moisturizer I did not use. Again, as I said, I have like multiple First Aid moisturizers that I use, so I'll give that away, and that was $32. The next product is the mascara from Half Kit. It was actually a really good mascara. There's no saving my mascara, my lashes. I had short, brittle lashes before, and I mash it up by like wearing falsies all the time, and I don't take them off properly. I just pull them off, so that was another story with that. And that is $18. I had the Lunar Beauty lip liner. I am wearing the lip liners today. They were nice and creamy, and it's 2 liners for $28, so $14 a liner, so that's pretty good. So last but not least, we had this 2 lip liner combo thing from Pink Lips. I did not use that because I wanted to do another video for my lips, so, and that was $20. So my total box is $140. I paid like $30 plus tax. It was an okay box. I still am stuck in that other box, so I think like my honest review for this box might not be, you know, great. Yeah, it was just an okay box. So that's it, guys, for this Boxycharm unboxing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.